Hello guys and gals, welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we're going to show you how to clean your home in 45 minutes or less. Let's face it, nobody loves spending hours scrubbing the bathtub. Life gets busy, and cleaning often falls to the bottom of our to-do lists. But what if I told you there's a way to achieve a sparkling home without sacrificing your precious time? Enter the magic of speed cleaning. It's not about achieving perfect, spotless results. It's about conquering chaos in short bursts. We're talking about a quick refresh that leaves your home looking presentable and feeling more peaceful. Speed cleaning is your secret weapon against the overwhelming feeling of a messy house. It breaks down cleaning into manageable chunks. No more weekend-long cleaning marathons. Instead, you'll discover the power of dedicating just a few minutes each day to tidy up. The result? A consistently cleaner home and more time for the things you love. We've all been there, staring at a pile of dishes, a mountain of laundry, and a floor that needs a serious sweep. It's easy to feel defeated before even starting. But don't worry, speed cleaning is here to save the day. It's the art of maximizing efficiency in minimal time. Think of it as a workout for your home, a quick and effective routine to whip things into shape. The beauty of speed cleaning lies in its simplicity. It's not about deep cleaning every nook and cranny, it's about tackling the most visible areas and high traffic zones. Imagine this, you have a spare 45 minutes. Instead of scrolling through social media, you could be giving your home a mini makeover. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Get ready to embrace a cleaner, more organized space without the stress. We'll guide you through every step, providing practical tips and time-saving hacks that will make you a speed cleaning pro in no time. We'll show you how to prioritize tasks, declutter on the fly, and make the most of your cleaning products. Get ready to be amazed by how much you can accomplish in just 45 minutes. You'll be surprised at the feeling of satisfaction that comes with transforming your living space from cluttered to refreshed. So ditch the overwhelm and put on your cleaning gloves. Let's dive into the world of speed cleaning and reclaim your time, one sparkling surface at a time. Think of speed cleaning like a fun, fast-paced game. We're setting the timer for 45 minutes, and our challenge is to get as much cleaning done as possible before it goes off. Don't worry about perfection. We're aiming for progress, not perfection. Remember, it's amazing how much you can achieve when you work against the clock. Think of it like a mini workout for your home, leaving it feeling fresh and revitalized. This isn't about spending hours scrubbing and polishing. It's about strategic cleaning, focusing on the areas that make the biggest impact. We'll zip through the house, tackling clutter, wiping down surfaces, and refreshing those high traffic zones. And the best part? Once the timer goes off, you're done. Kick back, relax, and enjoy your sparkling surroundings. Before we hit the start button, let's assemble our cleaning dream team. Gather your trusty cleaning supplies and keep them handy. You'll need an all-purpose cleaner, microfiber cloths, glass cleaner, furniture polish, and trash bags. A caddy or bucket to carry these around will save you precious time and steps. Remember, we're all about efficiency here, so choose products that multitask like a boss. A good all-purpose cleaner can tackle countertops, appliances, and even bathroom fixtures. And ditch those paper towels. Microfiber cloths are your new best friend, picking up dust and grime like a magnet. Trust us, having everything you need within arm's reach is a game changer. Let's inject some fun into our cleaning frenzy. Crank up your favorite playlist, something upbeat and energizing to keep you motivated. Music has the power to transform even the most mundane tasks into an enjoyable experience. And hey, if you need a little extra boost, a cup of coffee or tea can work wonders. Think of it as your fuel for a sparkling clean home. Remember, we're making this fun and rewarding, so treat yourself to whatever helps you power through. Now, let's strategize. Instead of randomly cleaning, we'll divide our house into zones. Think kitchen, living room, bathroom, and bedrooms. This keeps us focused and prevents us from getting sidetracked, because we all know how easy that is. Start with the zone that makes the biggest impact or the one you're most eager to tackle. Write down a mini checklist for each zone, jotting down those quick wins like wiping down counters, straightening up clutter, or giving the floor a quick sweep. Having a plan keeps us on track and ensures we maximize every minute of our 45-minute cleaning sprint. Ready? Let's get cleaning. Section 1. Zone 1. The heart of the home. Kitchen. Our speed cleaning adventure begins in the kitchen, often the hub of activity and, let's be honest, sometimes the messiest. Don't worry, we've got this. Remember, we're focusing on high-impact areas. Start by loading the dishwasher or quickly washing any dishes piled in the sink. A clear sink does wonders for making the entire kitchen look cleaner. Next, grab your trusty all-purpose cleaner and wipe down the countertops, stovetop, and any visible spills or splatters. Don't get bogged down with deep cleaning the oven or scrubbing grout. We'll save that for another time. For now, a quick wipe down is all it takes to create a sense of freshness. Toss any perishable items from the fridge that are past their prime, and give the shelves a quick wipe if needed. Next stop, the living room. This is where we relax and unwind, so let's make it feel inviting. Start by gathering any stray items like remote controls, magazines, or toys, and put them back in their designated spots. A little tidying goes a long way in making the room feel instantly more spacious. Grab a microfiber cloth and dust the coffee table, TV screen, and any other surfaces that tend to collect dust bunnies. Plump up the cushions on the sofa and chairs, fold any throw blankets, and arrange them neatly. If you have time, give the floor a quick sweep or vacuum in high-traffic areas. Time for a quick bathroom refresh. This high-traffic area can quickly become a magnet for clutter and grime. Start by clearing the countertops, putting away toiletries, and tossing any empty containers or expired products. Give the sink, faucet, and mirror a quick wipe down with your all-purpose cleaner. For a streak-free shine, use a dedicated glass cleaner on the mirror. Next, give the toilet bowl a quick scrub and flush. Finally, use a disinfecting wipe to sanitize the toilet seat, handle, and surrounding areas. Section 4, Zone 4, Bedroom Serenity. Last but not least, let's create a sense of calm in the bedroom. Start by making the bed. It only takes a minute or two, but makes a world of difference in the overall appearance of the room. Next, gather any clothes or belongings that may be strewn about and put them away in their designated drawers or closets. Dust the nightstands, dresser, and any other surfaces that tend to gather dust. If you have time, give the floor a quick vacuum or sweep to pick up any dust bunnies or debris. Remember, we're aiming for a quick refresh, not a deep clean. Let's talk about cleaning products, our trusty sidekicks in the battle against grime. While it's tempting to have a dedicated cleaner for every surface in your home, speed cleaning is all about simplifying. That's where the magic of multi-purpose cleaners comes in. These cleaning superheroes can tackle a variety of surfaces, from countertops and appliances to bathroom fixtures and even floors. Look for multi-purpose cleaners with disinfecting properties to kill germs and bacteria while you clean. They often come in a variety of scents, so you can freshen up your home while you tidy. Remember to always test a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with the surface you're cleaning. With a trusty multi-purpose cleaner in hand, you can streamline your cleaning routine and minimize product clutter under your sink. Here's a secret weapon for a cleaner, more organized home decluttering as you go. Instead of letting clutter pile up, make it a habit to put things away as soon as you're finished with them. This simple practice prevents clutter from becoming overwhelming and makes your speed cleaning sessions even more effective. As you move through each zone, take a moment to assess what you can quickly put away. Return stray items to their designated spots, like putting dishes in the dishwasher, tossing trash in the bin, or hanging up clothes. You can even keep a small basket handy to collect items that belong in other rooms and put them away later. Remember, a little decluttering goes a long way in creating a sense of calm and order in your home. Here's a pro tip for efficient cleaning. Always work from top to bottom. This means starting with the highest surfaces like ceiling fans and light fixtures and working your way down to floors. Why is this so effective? Because as you clean higher surfaces, dust and debris will naturally fall to the lower areas, which you'll clean later. This method prevents you from having to clean the same areas multiple times. For example, if you dust your furniture before cleaning the ceiling fan, you'll likely end up with dust settling back on the furniture. By working from top to bottom, you ensure that everything gets cleaned in a logical order, saving you time and effort. So remember, when it comes to speed cleaning, gravity is your friend. Section 4. Keep the momentum going. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your 45-minute speed cleaning mission. Take a moment to admire your handiwork and give yourself a pat on the back. Your home is now sparkling, and you've reclaimed precious time to spend on things you love. But the cleaning doesn't have to stop here. The key to maintaining a consistently clean home is to keep the momentum going. Set aside a few minutes each day for a quick speed cleaning session. Focus on 1 or 2 zones each day, rotating through your home throughout the week. This way, you'll prevent dirt and clutter from accumulating, and your home will always feel fresh and inviting. Remember, consistency is key. Section 1. The Speed Cleaning Triumph. Congratulations! You've officially conquered the Speed Cleaning Challenge. Look around and soak in that feeling of accomplishment. Your home is sparkling, and you did it all in under 45 minutes. It's amazing what a difference a little focused effort can make. Remember that feeling of overwhelm you might have felt before you started? It's long gone, replaced by a sense of pride and tranquility. Speed cleaning isn't just about a clean house, it's about a clear mind. When your surroundings are tidy, your mind feels calmer and more focused. It's like hitting the reset button on your day, allowing you to relax and enjoy your space without the weight of chores looming over you. And the best part? You didn't have to sacrifice an entire weekend to achieve it. Let's be real, nobody wants to spend hours cleaning every day. Life is meant for living, not just scrubbing and tidying. That's why speed cleaning is such a game changer. It fits seamlessly into your busy schedule, requiring just a few minutes of your day to maintain a cleaner, more organized home. Think of it like brushing your teeth for your house, a quick and easy habit that yields big rewards. Imagine coming home to a tidy space every day, a sanctuary where you can unwind and recharge. It's amazing how a clean home can boost your mood and reduce stress. And the more you practice speed cleaning, the easier and faster it becomes. You'll develop a rhythm, gliding through tasks with ease and efficiency. Before you know it, speed cleaning will become second nature, a positive habit that transforms your home and your life. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but it often feels like there's never enough time. Between work, family, friends, and personal commitments, it's easy to feel like we're constantly playing catch-up. But what if you could reclaim some of that precious time? Speed cleaning empowers you to do just that. By streamlining your cleaning routine and focusing on high-impact tasks, you free up hours that were once lost to endless scrubbing and tidying. Think of all the things you could do with that extra time. Pursue a hobby, connect with loved ones, relax with a good book, or simply enjoy some well-deserved downtime. Speed cleaning isn't just about a clean house. It's about reclaiming your time and living a richer, more fulfilling life. It's about prioritizing what truly matters and letting go of the pressure to maintain a perfectly spotless home. Before we move on, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep so you never miss an upload. Leave us a comment below and tell us about your favorite speed cleaning hack. One of the most rewarding aspects of speed cleaning is the instant gratification it provides. Every task you complete, no matter how small, contributes to a cleaner, more organized space. These quick wins create a sense of momentum and motivate you to keep going. It's amazing how much you can accomplish in just a few minutes when you set your mind to it. So, the next time you have a spare 15 minutes, resist the urge to scroll through social media or turn on the TV. Instead, challenge yourself to a mini speed cleaning session. Tackle a quick task like wiping down the bathroom counters, organizing a cluttered drawer, or putting away a pile of laundry. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done in a short amount of time, and the sense of accomplishment will leave you feeling energized and empowered. You've got the tools, the techniques, and the motivation. Now it's time to unleash your inner speed cleaning superhero. Remember, speed cleaning is all about finding what works best for you and your home. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques, products, and schedules until you discover a routine that fits seamlessly into your life. Embrace the flexibility of speed cleaning. Some days you might have 45 minutes to spare, while other days you might only have 15 minutes. That's perfectly okay. Adapt your routine to fit your schedule and focus on the areas that make the biggest impact. Remember, progress over perfection. So put on some music, grab your cleaning supplies, and let's get cleaning. You've got this.